Let's have a look at the focus system. You can see the pieces in the center, the frame around, and the 3 rods. In this illustration, we show you where everything is placed. We do recommend you varnish the wood pieces first though, and then attach the leather pieces. The first element is the focusing plate. It consists of a U shape, which is glued together with the sanded acrylic glass. Make sure the sanded part is facing towards the U shape. And the back frame. These 3 elements are glued together with the dowels provided. The smaller frame that fits in the center is only attached with the leather strap that acts as a hinge. You glue that leather strap with contact glue and the provided mini nails. As you can see, here there are magnets glued into the acrylic glass, and there are corresponding magnets glued into the smaller frame. Be aware that at the same hole where you glue in the magnets is also where you glue in dowels from the other side. These dowels on the outside will be sticking out. They are used for the paper adapters that will be slided in there. With the larger dowels, you glue together the 4 pieces that make the focus plate frame. Make sure they are positioned correctly. All 4 pieces have to be placed as shown here. One of the smaller parts has 3 holes, that's towards the back, and 1, 2, that's towards the front. The focus plate is attached with bolts to the focusing frame on diagonal sides. The next steps aren't done right away. We illustrate here how you put the focus system together once placed inside the box at the very end. You can see how the frame is all around. The stabilization rods are on the side, and the focusing rod with the attached knob goes in at the very end and is attached.